So, some of you may noticed that I have not been posting lately as much as I did when I started, and that's because I like what I do, but I don't have that much time in the summer. But after summer break and yeah, all that, I'm going back to try one video every week. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm gonna try the best because I love the community. I love making content, and I really hope I get the A badge. But I'm not aiming for that right now. I'm just trying to get back in the community because I've been away for a long time. I feel like so. Yeah, just I just see you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.